सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ स्टॉक मार्केट के बारे में। और स्टॉक मार्केट लाइव सेंसेक्स डाउन 50 PTS, निफ्टी होल्ड्स 25,900, SBI jumps 3%, TCS dips 2%. Sensex Today stock market live updates. The border indices were also slip into red. The BSE MidCap index was down 0.3% and small cap down 0.2%. Stock market live updates today, February 11, 2026. Nifty Sensex were trading market. Auto stock advance while IT stock weightage BHEL share price slumps over 6%. Stock market live updates. Files full 33,336 crore in Jan 2026. Dumps defensives buys metal PL Capital. Stock market live updates. Foreign institutional investor files pull out 33,336 crore from Indian equity markets in January 2026, marking the sharpest monthly outflow since August 2025, even as they selectively increased exposure to metal, according to an analysis by PL Capital. The FMCG sector saw intensified outfall of 7,497 crore in January 2026, significantly higher than 5,428 crore in January 2025 and 5,844 crore record in December 2025. PL Capital. Stock market live updates. Aggressive Motors Q3 net dips 32%. Stock fall 6%. Stock market live updates. Aggressive Motor today reported a 32.2% dip in Q3 financial year 26 net profit at 3.50 crore when compared with 5.16 crore posted in Q3 financial year 25. Revenue from operation, however, increases by 2.5% YoY to 216.09 crore from 210.80 crore. Meanwhile, the stock tanked and nearly 6% to 388 in intraday trade and has saw trade of around 3,600 to odd shares on the BSE. Stock market live updates. BHEL tumbled 6% as Gulf announces 5% stake sale via OFS. Stock market live updates. Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited BHEL stock was seen drilling under selling pressures following a gap down opening after the company set the floor price for its OFS at a discount. The stock started trade 5% lower at 262 as against the previous day's close of 276. The company announced a floor price of 254 per share for the offer for sale, which opened for subscription today.